Yes, it's the middle of the night. Yes, our driveway is full of snow, and I'm about to check the mail. And other mail. It's so cold. Okay, so I did a thing, and I got a camera off Facebook Marketplace. I swear every time, it's heavy. Every time I hear or I see someone showing this camera, it looks so much bigger in their hands. But, okay, I gotta sanitize, hang on. So this is the Mark III, and I will explain why I got the Mark III. But so the booklet, the warranty card. Oh, it didn't even register. So it's online, I can register it. It's the middle of the night. And I couldn't wait. I was so excited. I could not wait. Oh, he gave me a 64 gigabyte. The battery. The battery charger. It's so much smaller than I thought it would be. Like, this is a tiny battery. First thing I'm going to do is charge it right now. It even comes in the tiny little bucket. I swear this is even smaller than I thought it would be. It's so tiny. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out. It's so small. It does the tilty thingy. Oh my gosh. Like, it's so small. Oh, there's no battery in it. Dirty. Oh my god. I am terrified. It is smaller than my hand. Like, that's insane. It's so small. Like, I'm filming on my phone right now, and this I'm so stoked. Oh, I'm so stoked. I also got this little Manfrotto tripod off Amazon because everyone says this is the tripod they use, and you know, if it ain't broke. So I'm going to put this on my new camera right now. This is actually very heavy duty tripod. Like, it's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. So and you can put it on a tabletop or whatever you need to put it on. But it's nice to, yes, I have a treadmill in my room. It's nice to, wow, the lighting, just natural lighting, shows up so well on the camera. Dang, that is up close and personal. Whoa. Okay, go back, go back. Okay. That's actually impressive how it zooms slowly but fast enough. Like, it takes its time. It doesn't feel like, you know, it's just like and I keep looking at the screen and I need to be looking at the lens, but in the lighting, this is just natural light from my window, and it's actually really good. It's like, it's so clear. You can see everything, which I don't want you to, but that's what we're working with. Okay, here's a side-by-side comparison of the Canon G7X Mark III and my iPhone XS Max. Just looking on the screen, and I don't know if it's because my phone is darker, the autofocus, not the autofocus, the screen image quality is so much better on the camera, which makes sense, it's a camera, but it looks so much more yellow on my phone. But on the G7X Mark III, it looks so much more like white, which I don't know if I like. If I feel like it washes me out a little bit, but on my phone, it's more. Oh, you can see me holding both of them. It's more like more natural, and I am like directly in front of the window, so that the light is even, and So I'm just ending this video here. My thoughts, I'm filming on the G7X Mark III right now. I definitely really like the quality over the phone, because as you could see from the footage, the phone was a little bit more like a yellow tint, which is fine. It looks more natural, I think, but like the camera just looks a little bit crisper, which I personally like that look a lot. And then for the photos, I like how there was a lot more like depth to the photos when it was with the camera versus the iPhone. But I've just wanted this camera, actually I wanted the Mark II for a long time, but let's not talk about it. But I've just wanted like the G7X for a really long time, and I figured why the heck not. I like making videos, I like taking pictures, and this is a really good camera for that, and I figured I would just do that now. The autofocus firmware update definitely helped, I would say, but it still has its issues. If you do have this camera and you have some tips on how to make sure you're in focus, I watch all the videos, but if you have any new tips or anything that I can use, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm glad to be playing around with this camera and playing with the settings and seeing what's what, and then yeah.